Hello guys, today's video lecture is about the goal modeling in software engineering. First define, in this lecture we will cover a goal, what is goal, where do goals come from, what is a goal model, when to use a goal model, why use goal model, and capturing the goal model or construction of goal model. So first define what is a goal. A goal is a stakeholder objective for the system. This means there must be certain goals or some goal for which the system is going to be implemented. So the stakeholder objective from the system or for the system is simply called as a goal. The system includes the software and its environment. So there must be a goal, a big goal, a main goal, and sub goals. Who are the stakeholders? Anyone who has an interest in the system. Customers, end users, system developers, system maintainers, etc. What is a goal model? A hierarchy of goals. Because in system we cannot say there is a one goal. Yes, a high level goal is of one goal. A high level objective of the system is normally one, but we cannot but we can achieve only the higher goal only with the help of smaller goals or favor goals. So through these small goals we can achieve the high level goal, or in short the business objective or the business requirements. Goal relates the high level goals to low level system requirements. So this means implementing a minor implementing requirements on the minor level, functional requirements or service on the minor level is also mapped to a certain goal. Goal examples. These are the goals example, such as credit card information should be kept private, credit card information should be accurate, safe transportation, highly reliability. Laterally we will discuss about the hard and soft goals, and we will then categorize goal as either hard or soft. But there remember that there are some examples which cannot fit in a goal, like the system will be implemented in C++ or any particular coding tool. So this is not a goal. That is the implementation constraint but not a goal. The paint color for the cars will be yellow, orange, red, so on. So these are also not a goal. So goal actually belong to the system requirements. Goal exercise. Order the list of goal from high level concern to low level concern. For example, user receives a request for a timetable from the system. So this is a goal. This is the user requirement, and alternately this is a goal. Collect timetable by the system is a goal. Schedule meeting. System collect timetable from the user. This means user can request for a timetable from the system. System can collect a timetable, or from the user it also system can collect timetables and timetable collection. So there can be a variety of ways you define your goals. Schedule meeting, collect timetables, collect timetable by system, system collect timetable from user, user receive a request for timetable. Types of goals. Now we come to discuss about the two major types. One is called functional goal and another is called non-functional goal. The functional goal is also called the hard goal, which describe the functions the system must perform. Well-defined criteria for satisfaction. For example, system collects timetable from the user. This is the user functional requirement. In last video lecture we talk about in detail the difference between user and functional requirement. So user requirement is also functional requirement, but it actually shows the high level feature. So the functional requirement can be the system functional requirement and user functional requirement. So user functional requirement is also called user requirement simply. Non-functional goals or soft goals describe the desired system qualities, which is hard to define, satisfied rather than satisfied. For example, reliability. System should be reliable. System should be accurate. Should be secure. Should perform well in terms of efficiency, storage, utilization of resources, etc. These are soft goals, which are hard to define. And then there can be other soft goals such as ease of use, like usability. So these are all soft goals. Where do goals come from? These are normally come from the stakeholders, anyone who either use the system or who affect the system or who can be affected from the system. Disclosed in requirements documents, yes, because there are some stakeholders who know what are their hard as well as soft goals. Analysis of similar concurrent systems. We can collect the goals by analyzing the similar nature systems or elaborating other goals. If we discuss or if we explore some goals, so we can find other goals from that already exist goal. When to use goal model? This is normally done in early requirement engineering. This means it should be done before UML modeling. Why? Because goal should be clarified and defined first. Then based on these goals or business objectives, or we can call it as a business need or requirements, we then find the best fitable system requirements, and then we analyze these goals from different perspectives using UML notations such as activity diagram, use case diagram, clause diagram, context diagram, etc. And all the UML diagrams for analysis include the same features or detailed functionalities, but the analysis perspective is different. So you must have to identify your goal first before starting analysis and drawing the UML models. Goal model focus on identifying the problem and exploring the system solutions. So this means if we identify problem and after achieving that problem means we have achieved the objective or goal, and then system solutions can only be possible with the implementation of the features or services or detailed functionalities. Why use goal model? Give rationale for the requirements, identify stable information, guide requirement elaboration. Now come to discuss the goal model. An example, the meeting scheduler. Meeting scheduler is a system which assists initiator in scheduling a meeting. Meeting should be convenient for the participants. Participants should be available. So this is actually the goal model. We have the rounded circles and arrow from one goal towards other. The rounded shape shows the goal, and the arrow from one goal to other goal means that for achieving one goal we need other goal. For example, here for schedule meeting we need collect timetables and choose schedule. So if we define a system have one goal on broad sense, we can say that the main goal The higher level goal is schedule meeting. So if we define it that the system have only one goal, yes, it's correct, but high level goal or business need, remember that uh, the high level objective is also called the business requirement or business need or business objective. So there is one business objective, main objective, that is schedule meeting. And for achieving schedule meeting goal, we need two sub goals. One is collect timetables and another is choose schedule. So there are further two goals for achieving the choose schedule goal, that is manual or automatically. And for collect timetable goal, we need sub goals such as by person or by system. And similarly, to achieve this goal by system, we need collect from agent and collect from users. And then for achieving the collect from user goal, we need send request and receive request. Now remember that we will use two refinement types for shaping the model. One is called and refinement and other is called or refinement. In and refinement, all of the sub goal must be achieved for goal to be achieved. This means sub goals must be achieved. This means for achieving this main high level scheduling meeting goal, the system must have to achieve these sub two goals: choose schedule and collect timetable. And these are option. Collect timetable, we might achieve this goal by person or by system. So these two are not mandatory, but option is there. So or refinement, in or refinement, at least one of the sub goal must be achieved for the. So in or there is option, and both the sub goals are not mandatory. Now come to discuss about the soft goals. These are the example of the soft goals. Achieving good quality schedule. This means scheduling a meeting is a functional requirement or hard goal, but achieving it in a quality way, or we can say achieving good quality schedule, is a soft goal. So we will laterally then implement a tactics for achieving the quality attributes. So again, in soft goals we can also use the and or refinement, such as minimal conflicts and good participation. Both of these soft goals should be assured to achieve the good quality schedule. And similarly, to achieve the high level soft goal, minimal effort. This means the system should require minimal effort to be developed and to operate. So we need matching effort, collection effort, and both are necessary, mandatory. And these are isolated goals, which means these two goals does not need any sub goals. Now modeling soft goals, we used to evaluate the alternatives, and we will use the following signs. Plus signs means helps. This means one goal helps another goal. One goal makes another goal. One goal hurts means it's a kind of some disturbance and breaks. This means achieving one goal will break another goal. So contributions to soft goals, you can see these are the soft goals, and these plus minus sign are also used. This means if we achieve this goal automatically, so in somewhere it will helps to make other goals, but it affect this good participation soft goal. So we use the minus sign. Similarly, if we achieve this goal automatically, collection of timetable. So it will helps to achieve the minimal conflict goal. But if we achieve manual goal, it will hurt the minimal conflict goal. This means it will disturb this goal, but it will max the good participation goal. So these plus minus operators are necessary to know. Why necessary? Necessary to know that how one goal can affect other goal in negative way. Now the construction process. First we define the soft goals at the corner sites using and or refinement plus along with the plus minus signs, and then in the middle we define the hard goals, and then we use the plus minus signs. So this was all about the construction process of different goals and they are linked together. So this was all about the goal modeling. Remember that identifying problem and their solution and defining the system objectives, the high level objectives and the sub objectives are necessary at the start of the requirement engineering process. So because if we don't know the goals, the rest of the efforts after that maybe become useless. So the goal modeling bears importance. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.